The videos that you're watching have been created using one of the most realistic and advanced deepfake AI tools available today. This AI tool is so accurate with facial expressions and movements that it doesn't even feel like the videos are AI generated. The examples you're seeing right now are all created with this powerful AI tool. It works in a very simple way. You provide a reference video and then you give it an input image. The AI then transfers all the facial expressions and movements from the reference video onto the image. The way it applies the expressions and movements is so realistic that nobody can even tell the difference between the original and the AI generated video. This technology has a huge impact on the future of AI in filmmaking, making it possible to create content that looks incredibly authentic. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to imitate facial expressions and create amazing animation videos. If you're running a faceless channel or thinking about starting one, then this video is perfect for you. With this tool, you can animate your AI avatar with incredibly realistic facial expressions, or even use it to create awesome animated content. And the best part is, it's absolutely free, with no limits on the number of generations. You can create as many animations as you want without any restrictions. I'll walk you through every single step in detail, so be sure to pay close attention. Now, without further delays, let's get started. The name of the tool is Live Portrait, and it's created by the same company that developed Clink AI. On their website, you'll find all the information you need about how this tool works. Now I'm going to show you two different ways you can use this AI tool. You don't need to install anything or have a high-end computer. You can even run it directly from your phone. So the first method is through Google Colab Notebook. First, open the link I have shared in the description, and after that, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on this button to connect it to the GPU. Once that's done, click on this play button and this will start executing the code. This can take 1 or 2 minutes, depending on your internet speed, and once it's done, you will see a green check mark like this. Next, click on this file icon and upload your input image and video. I'm using this image and this particular video as input. Once that's done, click on this 3-dot option and then click on copy path. After that, you need to paste and replace the path here. Make sure you do this part correctly or it won't work. Then I will do the same for the video, copy the path and paste it here. Now all you need to do is click on this play button and wait for the AI to do its magic. Once it's done, you will see a green check mark like this. Now to download the output, click on this live portrait folder, then go to animations, and this is your output video. To download it, click on these 3 dots and download. Here is the output video, and look at that. This is so good. These are very difficult expressions and movements, but still, the AI was able to replicate each expression really nicely. Now here you can see the before and after comparison. So this is the initial input image and video, and you can see the before and after. Each and every expression, including eye movements, eyeball movements, everything was replicated perfectly. This was just one example, so let's try one more. This time I'm going to use this image and this video, and here's the output. Just look at this. It's absolutely amazing. Trust me guys, no other image to video generator can replicate expressions like this. It's just incredible. Just imagine the kind of content you can create with this tool if you're creative enough. So for the second method, we will run it through Replicate. This is the website and you can find the link in the description below. You can see that this is a very simple interface, but we have a few more options here. You can control the video frame rates, adjust the size, and there are a couple of other options like controlling the lip movements and eye movements. This method is faster and offers much more control compared to Google Colab, but I need to mention that it is a paid service. However, the charges are very low. It's around 1.5 rupees per generation. This is the default image, and to upload your own image, you just need to click on this arrow and upload your image. I'm going to use this Einstein image. Then we have the driving video option. This is going to be your input video, so I'll use the default video for now. If you want to change it, you can just upload your own video like you did for the image and then hit the run button. This is the output video. You can see that there's a small issue with the teeth because it's a smiling pose and our Einstein uncle has a mustache, so that's why it didn't perform well. So we're going to change this image. Let's switch to this beautiful girl's image and hit the run button. Now, the reason I used that image was to show you that you need to use the right kind of images for better results. You can't just use random images and expect great results. Now here's the output, and look at that. Look at the facial expressions and the eye movement. It looks very real, almost like an actual video. Let's try one more. This time I'm going to use this animated image of Deepika that I generated. If you want to know how to generate animated images like this, check out my previous video. I'll put the link in the description. And here's the output. It looks stunning. Imagine how many funny and interactive animated videos you can create using this tool. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep grinding.